secondary xylem would constitute, okay, secondary xylem would constitute the bulk of woody plants, bulk of woody plants, okay. Take care of transport of water, mineral salt, okay, mechanical support, mineral salts and mechanical support, storage of food in the wood parenchyma, storage of food in the wood parenchyma, okay. Wood store different types of materials, that is tannins, okay, and gums, okay, all types of tannin gums and different types of materials, okay, and associated with the specials in paratracheal types, okay, and apotracheal, okay. Paratracheal constantly associated with vessels, okay. Apotracheal constantly associated with vessels, okay. This is wood information. Next, wood internal anatomy, wood internal anatomy, okay. Wood different types of wood is there. Mainly wood is two types of porous wood is there, that is the diffuse porous wood and ring porous wood, okay. Diffuse porous wood and ring porous wood, okay. Wood shows different rings, okay, rings, that is called annual rings, okay, annual rings. Old trees shows annual rings, mostly cambial. These rings form cambial activity, okay, and seasonal. The growth of the tree in terms of secondary xylem in a year termed on annual rings, annual rings. The season cambium forms thin walled xylem, okay, vessel with wide cavity, that is called spring wood or early wood. Cambium form a thick cavities, cambium form a thick cavities, okay, thick cavities. The wood is called spring wood or early wood, spring wood or early wood. Next, winter season, okay. The plant winter season, the plant shows lowest activity, okay, lowest activity, okay, that is Ataman wood, okay. Cambium shows lowest activity, that is called Ataman wood or late wood, okay, Ataman wood or late wood. The study of annual rings is called dendrochronology, okay. The study of annual rings is called dendrochronology, okay. Okay, today we have studied different types of hardwood and growth rings, sapwoods, parenchyma cells in wood, okay. Mostly dicotyledons and gymnosperms, the stems increase in girth by activities of lateral meristem, okay. Stem consists of three areas, that is pith region, xylem and bark. The central pith is usually bare, visible, okay, does not increase in the size through the life of tree, okay. Next, the new wood and inner bark is added each year by the activity of a layer of dividing cells. Okay. That is the information of uh, annual rings. Okay. One ring is formed in a year. The age of plant can be calculated by counting the number of rings. Counting the number of rings. Determining the age of tree by counting the number of annual rings is called dendrochronology. Okay, student. The study of annual ring is called dendrochronology. Hello, students. Hello. Hello, students.
Sir,
The study of annual rings is called
dendrochronology.
dendrochronology. Okay. You know, wood regions is two types, that is hardwood and sapwood. Okay. Hardwood and softwood. Okay. Woods also formed in two seasonal variations. Okay, that is late wood and early wood. Okay, in spring season, that is early wood. In spring season, form a thick walls. Okay, that is early wood. Okay, the plant shows highest activity. Okay, the late wood is lowest activity. Okay. Next, vascular tissues. Next, sapwood and hardwood. Okay. See once. This is the growth rings. Okay. Growth rings form a. The study of growth ring is called dendrochronology. Okay. When we are seeing at the time of transverse section of axis, the layers appears as rings. Okay. The time of transverse section of olden trees. Okay. Olden trees shows this type of wood colors, that is sapwood color and hardwood color. See once, this is colors. Okay. Hardwood is very thickest color. Okay. The central portion is called hardwood. Okay. The peripheral region are surrounding. Okay. Surrounding outer region is called sapwood. This is the olden stem. That is the stem shows different regions. That is hardwood region and sapwood region. Okay. Both regions shows different annual rings. Okay. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 annual rings is there now. One ring is equal to 1 year. Okay. The study of ring. Okay. Ring shows age of the plants. Okay. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How is the
Yeah.
picture? How is the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is hardwood and sapwood. Now we are studied now sapwood. Okay. First sapwood. Okay. Sapwood. First, sapwood or alburnum. Sapwood or alburnum. Okay. The outer region of the wood consists of young xylem. Okay, young xylem vessels is yellow in color. See here, diagram. The outer region is shown yellow in color. That is young xylem vessels. Okay, shows yellow in color. That is sapwood. Okay, it helps. Sapwood helps generally conduction of water and different minerals. storage also. Okay, storage also. Next, heartwood. Okay, heartwood. Heartwood or another name is, write down students. Heartwood another name is duramin. Okay, sapwood another name is alburnum. Hello students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Write down sapwood another name alburnum. Okay, heartwood another name
Duramen.
duramin. Okay, okay, do now duramin or hardwood, that is central portion of the stem. Okay, central dark region. Okay, central dark region, that is dark place, that is heartwood, is known as duramin. Heartwood or duramin. The xylem duramin. The xylem elements in the spot of the wood, the xylem elements in the spot of the wood have lost the power of conduction. Okay, lost the power of conduction. But in sapwood, help the conduction. Sapwood help the conduction and storage. But in hardwood, lost the power of conduction. Okay, the central portion shows xylem elements, but lost the conduction, lost the power of conduction because the cells are filled with different uh, materials, that is tannins, resins, and other substances. Tannins, resins, and other substances are due to the formation of stylosis. Okay, central portion, that is hardwood. Okay, not participated in conduction or lost the power of conduction. Okay, because the cells filled with tannins, resins, and other substances. That's why loss of the power of conduction and formation of stylosis. Formation of stylosis into the lumen of vessels. Okay, into the lumen of vessels. See stylosis. This is stylosis. Students, hello students.
Yes.
Observing
Yes,
the
sir.
stylosis. Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
central portion of the stem, the heartwood, shows stylosis also. Okay, for central portion of the stem form a stylosis. That's why loss of the conduction of power. Okay, loss of the conduction properties because stylosis formed and filled with resin canals, tannins, other substances. Now, tylosis. Okay, the central portion is hardwood. Hardwood only providing the mechanical support to the plant. Only providing the mechanical support to the plant as the plant grows older. Okay, the sapwood gets converted into hardwood gradually. Okay, gradually sapwood converted into hardwood at the time of growth. At the time of growth. Okay, now tylosis. Tylosis cells present next to the vessels send a balloon like tylosis look like a balloon like outgrowths. see balloon-like outgrowths, okay, into the vessels through pit cavities. See here, pit cavities shows these stylosis enter into lumen vessels. Lumen vessels. Okay. This type of balloon-like outgrowths is called stylosis. This type of outgrowths is called stylosis. Okay. These stylosis become inactive. Okay. These stylosis inactive and block the lumen of vessels. Inactive and block the lumen of vessels and reduce the permeability of the wood. That's why lost the power of conduction. Hardwood is lost the power of conduction. That is the main reason of the hardwood not participated in conduction. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
What?
Sir, Tylosis did not understand, sir.
Stylosis is a outgrowths of vessels lumen. Lumen is one type of empty spaces in the vessels. Okay. Vessels are present in hardwood. That's why hardwood is not participated in conduction in older or big trees, old trees. Okay, but sapwood participated in conduction. Hardwood is not participated because form a tylosis. This type of balloon-like outgrowths stopped, blocked the conduction. Okay, and along with filled and secreted tannins in hardwood, tannins, resins, and other substances. Okay, tylosis is a outgrowth. Okay,
Sir,
tylosis what?
these are not present in Sapwood.
Not present. Okay, okay. That's why hardwood not participated in conduction process. Okay, just tylosis are parenchyma tissues. Okay, present in the vessels. Okay, just outgrowths. Tylosis are commonly called outgrowths and block the conduction. Block all these are inactive. Okay, inactive cells block the lumen of vessels. That's why reduce the permeability of wood. Okay, this is the lumen tylosis information. Tylosis are abundantly seen in the wood. Okay, wood in Caracas, Robinia, Junglans, etc. Okay, these are shows abundance. Okay, tylosis shows abundance of these plants. These plants shows that is Robinia and Caracas plant shows abundance in vessels. Okay, see vessels 1, A, B. A is vessel. Okay, see vessels 1, 2, 3. All these are vessel. First vessel shows no tylosis. Second vessels just starting tylosis. Okay, tylosis. Okay, outgrowth started through pit cavities. Okay, vessels having some pit cavities. These pit cavities suitable or giving permeability to lumen. Next, third figure completely filled or blocked with tylosis means Stylosis volume increased in the third picture. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, clear.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next, sapwood of hardwood. That is the information in the region with the pronounced cold season. The activity of cambium takes place only during the spring and spring and summer season, thus giving rise to the growth is diameter of woody plants. Okay, early wood and late wood also discussed. In early wood form a thick walled. In early wood form a thick walled, but in late wood low shows lowest activity. Lowest activity. Okay, that is the cambium activity. Okay, see here late wood and this is the information of stylosis. This is the early wood and late wood. Early wood. Okay, early wood, the cambium activity is very high. That's why form a thick walled. Okay, thick walled. In late wood, okay, a cambium activity is very low, lowest activity. Okay, plant will be, it's a lowest activity. Okay, that is late wood. Early wood developed in the summer, okay, or spring season is called spring wood or early wood. Okay, early wood inner layer of growth rings. Okay, early wood inner layers of growth rings. The early wood zones of the growth rings typically consist of thin walled, larger diameter, okay, calls, and also appear light in color. Okay, light in color. But late wood form winter season. That is early wood summer season, late wood winter season or autumn. Autumn season is known as autumn wood or late wood. Autumn wood or late wood. Late wood is a outer layer of growth rings. Okay, outer layer of growth rings. The late wood zones thick walled. Okay, smaller in diameter. Cells also appear darker or brownish color. This is the information of late wood. Okay, see the late wood. The figure is there. Okay, see this is late wood and hot wood. Late wood and early wood. Early wood developed in summer season. Okay, summer season. That is early wood. Early wood light in color. Okay, early wood light in color, but late wood darker in color. Thick color shows thick color. Okay, late wood consists of thin walled, larger diameter cells. Okay, light in color, early wood, and thin walled cells. But late wood shows thick color. Okay, thick color and thick walls, smaller diameters in cell. That is early wood and late wood. Okay, this is the diagram of late wood and early wood. Dendrochronology. Okay, dendrochronology. Already we have discussed the study of growth rings. The study of growth ring is called dendrochronology. Okay, every ring is equal to 1 year. The study of this growth ring shows the age of the plant. The study of growth ring is called dendrochronology. Okay, dendrochronology. Stylosis information also over. Discussion also over. Stylosis mainly formed in central region of the stem. This is giving obstacles of conduction. That's why stem going to be very hard and filled with tannins also. Okay, that is the stylosis information. Stylosis is a parenchymatous tissue made up of parenchymatous tissue giving outgrowths through uh, vessels pit into the lumen of vessels. Okay, lumen of vessels. Okay, just outgrowths. Tylosis are just outgrowths. Block the conduction and reduce the permeability of wood. Okay, this is the tylosis information. Okay, present in heartwood only. Okay, tylosis figure also you are seeing. Okay, next difference between heartwood and sapwood. Okay, difference between heartwood and sapwood. Okay, students, heartwood and sapwood.
Yes, sir.
See here. Okay, sapwood shows older trees. Okay, the outer region of the old trees is sapwood or alburnum. But heartwood, central region very thick in color. Economically, heartwood is very important, very valuable. Okay, durable. That is heartwood, central portion of the stem. Next, sapwood consists of recently formed xylem elements. Okay, but in heartwood, filled with tannins, resins, gums. Okay, already discussed. This is the difference. Okay, sapwood not shows resins and different secretions. Only heartwood shows. It is not hard and durable. Sapwood is not hard and durable, but hardwood is very hard and durable. Okay, it is light in color. Sapwood contain some living cells, also in the association of vessels and fibers. But here looks like a black or green, black or gold. Okay, thick gold color. Okay, due to the presence of various substances. That's why look like a block and thick region. Okay, various material is there, that is tannins, resins, gums. Okay, centrally the vessels are not plugged with stylosis generally. Okay, not plugged in sapwood, but in hardwood usually vessels remains plugged with stylosis. Okay, stylosis only in present in heartwood. Already discussed. Okay, students. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, sapwood. Another important difference is this part of the stem perform physiological activity. Sapwood shows physiological activity. such as conduction of water, nutrients, storage of food. Okay, see here, storage of food. But hardwood, the function of hardwood is not of conduction. It gives only mechanical support, okay, to the stem. Okay, that is the importance of hardwood and sapwood. Okay, hardwood keys. Okay, three types. Okay, ring porous, semi ring porous, and diffuse ring porous. That is hardwood types. Again, ring porous, porous in radial rows, porous in heavy bonds, porous in um, solitary of multiples. This is the ring porous. Okay, ring porous. See the okay pores. This is the pores distribution on the wood. Okay, okay. Students, see the pores. Okay. Next, semi ring porous. Okay, this is semi ring porous. Okay, black walnut, butternut, and hickory. The pores transition from the large to small diameter within the growth ring granule. Next, diffuse porous also. See here. See the diagrams. Okay, ring porous wood also divided following types: solitary types, pore multiples, pore chains, and nested pores. Wavy bands. See the diagrams. This is the pore structures. Okay, solitary pores. Okay, individual, and pore multiples. Okay, this is the pore multiple B. See, pore chains. Pores are look like a chains. D, nested pores. Okay. Next E, wavy bonds. This is the pore structures on wood. Okay. Sapwood shows resin canals. Okay. Resin canals, tannin canals already discussed. Next, different types
Sir,
of
what is the page number, sir?
page
In textbook?
page number 7, page number unit 6th, unit 6th, 89 page number. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, different types of important woody plants is there. That is teak wood. Okay, 5 plants is there. This is resin canals. See in diagrams, resin canals. Okay, trachea canals, resin canals, bordered fits. See the border fits, resin canals. Okay, in the vessels, wood parenchyma and paratracheal, apotracheal parenchyma. Parenchyma, 2 types, that is paratracheal and apotracheal. Already parenchyma topic is over. Next, parenchyma types also. This is apotracheal, this is paratracheal. Okay, apotracheal shows different types of pores, that is diffuse porous and growth ring boundary porous. But in paratracheal, scanty, vascentric, and aliform confluent. Okay, this is the different types of parenchyma. Okay, next, important wood yielding plants. Wood yielding plants, that is Tectona grandis, means teak. Family Verbenaceae. Next, Dalbergia latifolia. Jitregi, common name Jitregi sisam. Another name is sisam or vernacular name. Family Fabaceae. And Petrocarpus santalinus, red sanders, Lal Chandan, that is Fabaceae family, belongs to Fabaceae family. The fourth one is Terminalia tementosa. Terminalia tementosa, that is Nalla Maddi, Combattaceae family. And Azadiracta indica. Common name or vernacular name, neem or vepa or nimba. Okay, Azadiracta indica belongs to Meliaceae family. Azadiracta indica belongs to Meliaceae family. The Tectona grandis is a very famous plant in teak wood. Okay, they're very well-known plant. Okay, the central heartwood shows gold in ring. Okay, golden ring. Wood shows heartwood and sapwood. Okay, that central portion is golden brown. That is heartwood. Okay, with darker streaks also. The sapwood white to pale yellow, white to pale yellow, yellowish brown. Oh, sorry, brown. Wood is moderately hard and heavy. The average weight of the wood is 650 kg. Okay. The fibers are non-libriform fibers, gelatinous and septate rays distinct in the naked eye, seen in the naked eye of the wood of teak. Teak wood shows different types of rings. That is ring porous wood. Okay, different diameters, distinctly large pores in the early wood, and non-libriform gelatinous rays also. Next, Dalbergia latifolia zitregi, that is the common name, sesame. Okay, the hardwood is heavy. The average weight 815 kgs per meter square, 12% moisture content in this wood. Okay, the different from the sapwood. Sapwood is pale yellowish, whitish with pinkish string. This is the information of and Dalbergia latifolia. Next, Dalbergia latifolia also shows growth rings, the fairly distinct pores, large to small, visible in naked eye. The third one is that is Rakta Chandan and Lal Chandan, sapwood distinct from heartwood. Okay, sapwood orange red to purple in color. Okay, heartwood is purplish black in color. Growth ring rarely distinct, diffuse porous wood. Okay, parenchyma paratracheal, metatracheal in the cambium, fiber present and libriform and semi-libriform race also shows. This is the very important commercially. Red chandan is used as a different scents and soaps cosmetic field. Okay, very important in the our different industries. Very commercial plant, that is Petrocarpus santalinus. Next, Terminalia tementosa, that is Nalamadi. This is a very important plant for the commercial use. Okay, this plant also shows growth rings. Okay, porous wood, clearly visible naked eye. Okay, clearly visible naked eye, filled with stylosis. Okay, vessels prominent on longitudinal surface. Okay, wood also shows distinctly sapwood and heartwood. The last one is the Azadiracta indica, very important for the use of different types of skin allergies. Okay, leaves also used, bark used as a medicine. Okay, These plant having a one alkaloid, that is nimbin or nimbidin, Azadiracta indica, neem, vepa, nimba. This plant belongs to Meliaceae family. Okay, Meliaceae family use the leaves and bark used as a medicine in village. Okay, wood also shows different colors, that is heartwood and sapwood. Sapwood grayish white, heartwood red. When the first exports fading the two reddish brown. Okay, wood parenchyma paratracheal type and metatracheal in libriform rows. Okay, the wood is very important in our plant kingdom. Okay, students. Hello.
Oh, yes,
Hello.
sir.
This is the important wood yielding plants. What is that? Tectonograndis, Dalbergia latifolia, Petrocarpus santalinus, Terminalia tementosa, and Azadiracta indica. Write down. Okay, students? Write down.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, this is the good information of wood yielding plants. Write down as it is in your future examinations. Okay, asking
Okay,
what is
sir.
the importance of Terminalia tementosa? What is the commercial use of Petrocarpus santalinus? Asking this type of questions. Okay, like this style. Okay. Okay, students. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next week, Saturday and Sunday class also there till 27th. Okay. Till
Yes,
27th. Okay, good. Okay, clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, read well for the examination of second semester.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.